In the last video, as we discussed to calculate the number of moles, now we are applying this formula to calculate the number of moles. So we can take first question, that if find the mass of 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. So find the mass of 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. So definitely if we will use this Y map, the number of molecules is given as 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 and mass of water is to be calculated. So definitely number of particles will be converted into number of moles, and by using this we can convert this into the mass. So mass of water molecules 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 divided by Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, you will get the moles. This is moles. Now this will be multiplied by 18 and this will give mass, which is moles into molar mass in gram. Now we can take the question number 2. If you are provided 5.6 liter ammonia gas at 1 atm and 273 Kelvin, then find number of molecules. So 5.6 liter ammonia gas is given. If you will notice this condition 1 atm and 273 Kelvin, this is the condition of NTP, which is normal temperature and pressure. So 5.6 liter ammonia gas, first it is to be converted into moles, then we wish to calculate the number of molecules, then we can convert the moles into number of molecules. So number of molecules, that will be equal to 5.6 divided by 22.4, 5.6 divided by 22.4, which is giving moles, and if we will multiply this by Avogadro's number Na, we will get the number of molecules. We can take one more example, that find the number of molecules in 9.8 milligram of H2SO4. So it is very obvious the mass of substance is given, and now it is to be converted into number of molecules. So first, from mass of the substance we will calculate the number of moles. Obviously the mass is provided into milligram, and as I told you that the mass is always taken to be in kilogram. If the kg, milligram and microgram is given, it is to be converted into gram. So the number of molecules we can calculate. First we will calculate the moles. So it is 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram divided by gram molecular mass of the H2SO4 will be equal to 98. So this is the moles that we have calculated by simply using this expression. Now we want to calculate the number of molecules, so this is multiplied by Na. So this is the way by which we can use the Y map to calculate the number of moles. We can take one more example, question number 4, in which we want to calculate the number of moles of SO2 gas at 273 degrees Celsius and 2 atmospheric pressure in a container of 1 liter. So if you will notice, the number of moles is to be calculated, and this is not the condition of NTP. So we will use PV equal to nRT, which is ideal gas equation, to calculate the number of moles. Simply we can use N equal to PV by RT, and it is given that the pressure is 2 and the volume is 1 liter, and the gas constant R we can put as 0.0821. It is to be noted that the gas constant R, which is equal to 0.0821 atm into liter, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse we will use in this equation because the pressure is given in atm. So 2 into 1.0821 divided by 273 degrees Celsius is given. So it is to be converted into Kelvin. So we can write this 273 degrees Celsius as 273 into 2, which is 546. And the product of 0.0821 into 273 is, you should remember that it is 22.4. So when you will calculate, we can calculate 2 से 2 cancel, and what you will get 1 upon 22.4. This will be the required answer. So thank you very much.